trying the most beautiful desserts in Compton. Look at how realistic these look. It looks just like a real avocado. Let's try it out. Very soft and creamy. Next up, I got the orange. It tastes just like an orange. It's so juicy. Next up, I got the banana. Very squishy and chewy, just the way I like it. Next up, I got the apple. Let's see. I think that was chocolate. The lemon. Too sour. Look at how much it squirts out. I also got their potato. That dirt looks perfect. I think I'm bleeding. Extremely crunchy and a little too realistic for me. Let me know in the comments what I should try next.